I'm doing a quick unboxing of a power strip slash surge protector I got from KSP. It's around 199 shekel, and it comes with 10 kind of outlets, and it has obviously surge protection, and it has a timer, so it waits 3.5 minutes after the power's been out to turn it back on, which is supposed to help with protecting your items. They obviously won't give a warranty on what you plug into it, but they will give a warranty on if it breaks itself within the first 3 years of buying it. Lastly, if it tripped the breaker, you might need to open it up and then put in a new fuse in the device itself.